Hi, I'm Matt with Synergy Manufacturing, and today I want to introduce to you our heavy-duty adjustable track bar for the Ford Super Duty platform. This track bar is fabricated from 1.5-inch quarter wall DOM steel tubing. The track bar is domestically sourced, cut, bent, welded, and assembled right here in the USA. This track bar has been manufactured so that at full bump, it still clears the factory crossmember, drag link, and tie rod. On the frame side of the track bar, there is a billet housing. This holds our dual durometer bushing. The dual durometer bushing is designed to move and articulate with the truck, while still firmly holding the track bar in place. This helps to prevent death wobble. On the axle side of the track bar, there's our double adjuster that holds our metal-on-metal tie rod end. The double adjuster allows you to center the axle with ease while the vehicle is on the ground. Simply loosen the pinch bolt, turn the adjuster into the axle center, and tighten the bolt back up. This tie rod end was specifically designed for the Super Duty platform. This tie rod end has a larger than stock ball stud that is heat-treated chromoly steel. This is much stronger than stock and helps to prevent death wobble. We spent a lot of time developing this track bar for the 2017 and newer generation trucks, and we love the results. What we wanted to do is adapt this for the earlier generation as well for the 2005 to 2016 trucks. This track bar would usually mount into a 2017 to current with this style axle mount, but it is easily adapted over to the 2005 to 2016 style with the Synergy track bar adapter slug. The adapter slug recesses the tie rod end lower to account for the difference in pitman arm geometry between the two style of trucks. So you will have no bump steer with the track bar installed. So there you have it. That's the 2005 to current Synergy heavy duty track bar. For more information about this product or other products, visit us at synergymfg.com.